Hey guys, today I would be showing you how I grew the rose plants on my terrace. For that, I have bought two rose plants from the nearby nursery and two plastic pots, you can say the tubs, but at a reasonable rate. And I have also bought the spade, two kinds of spades. One is for mixing and one is for spreading the mud properly. And you can also buy the rose mix, which would help the buds to flower soon. And I would be using mud along with manure, so organic manure. So let's continue. So firstly, I would suggest you people to take a packet of organic manure and drop it into the plastic tub or the pot, and then mix it properly. Remove any plastic materials or any kind of insects. If you find it, just remove them and then mix it properly, so that there are no kind of stones or any pebbles. If you find any, you just remove it and then add water to it, like a glass of water, and then mix it properly so that it becomes moist, and all the below level of the pot is completely aerated with water and air. And now you would take the mud or the soil and then spread it out in the second layer using the spade, and then mix it properly, just like the first, just like the way you did for the organic manure. You would mix it properly with water, and now you have to cut the plastic wrap that is rounded to the plants that I've bought, and then you need to remove it carefully. See that if there are any kind of other kind of plantlets, kindly remove it gently, and then you can also remove the senescent parts. Senescence in the sense the parts or the leaves which are old or pale in color. You can just remove it and then mix the entire manure properly with soil and make a little space so that you can put the plant properly into the pot. So as you're seeing in the video, I'm just trying to put it safely within the pot. So I have removed the plastic around the plant, and then now I am carefully and gently I'm trying to lift the plant. And yes, you would find earthworms. So earthworms actually make the soil loose. They help in proper aeration of the soil. So that's what I have found in earthworm, so I got panic. So that's what it looks like. So keep them. It is good for the health of the soil, and it helps in proper as I said, it helps in proper aeration and other fecal matter of it. It's nitrogenous and it makes the soil rich in nitrogen, which is very essential for the plant growth. So mix the entire upper layer of soil properly, and do not move the plant or hit it hard. Just mix the soil around it carefully, gently. Mix it with your hands or using the spade properly, and that's all you have to do. And then the plant is all ready. See that you plant twice a day, and if the soil is it's becoming dry, so that you at least water the plant 4 times a day. And that's how. See, you can see the buds. This is the 3rd day and I can literally see the buds flowering. So that's all you need to do for the rose plants to grow. Thank you.